Hi guys, this is Divyan from dbTech. Welcome to another video on our channel. In this video, we'll be unboxing the RealMe 2 Pro and also we'll be giving away 2 RealMe 2 Pros to our viewers. So keep watching this video till the end because the rules to enter the giveaway will be somewhere in the video. So keep watching this video till the end. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, let us start with the unboxing of this device. So I ordered this phone from Flipkart. I ordered 2 of them for this giveaway and for the unboxing purpose. The ones I ordered are Blue Ocean version of RealMe 2 Pro and these are 4GB RAM variant. So surprisingly, as you can see at the back there is no seal. So you just have to lift the lid to unbox the phone. So inside the box you see RealMe branding and the social media links that they provide, and also inside it you will find a soft TPU case and there are some paperworks too. So let us keep them aside for a while. I also hop the cover on just to show you how it looks with the cover. So after that you will see the device itself, which is covered in plastic. And we'll get to the device later on. So as I said that this is the Blue Ocean version. Let me keep the device aside and I'll show you the box content. So inside you will find this micro USB cable which has Oppo branding on it. And let us check the charger rating. And unfortunately, as you can see, that this is not a fast charger. And besides the adapter you will find a micro USB cable. So that is pretty much what the box content is. So now let us get to the device. So as you can see that the device is covered in plastic. Let me remove the plastic. And as you remove the plastic you will see that the smartphone is really glossy. So let me remove this sticker on the back so that you can see how it actually looks. So I really like that it looks really exciting and it looks different in different lighting conditions. So now let us boot this device for the first time, and as you can see that RealMe has to provide a dewdrop design on budget. So that is a really good thing that RealMe has done. Despite the device not being metallic, it feels very premium. So here you will see a 16 megapixel shooter on the top, and also the earpiece is provided right on top of it. Now let me give you a physical overview of the device. So on the right you will see the power button, on the back you will see a fingerprint sensor and the 16 megapixel shooter. On the left you will see power rockers, there's nothing on the top, and at the bottom you will see micro USB charging port, 3.5mm headphone jack, speaker grill and noise cancellation microphone. So let us hop into the camera interface and see how the camera interface looks. So let me just click a couple of pictures just to show you how the shutter speed works. So the shutter speed, as you can see, is really snappy, and this is the camera interface. So it can take portrait images, and there is a manual mode for professional photographers as well. And for all those who care, this phone comes out of the box with Android 8.1.0, which is Android Oreo. And hopefully RealMe will be providing timely updates on this device. So this is pretty much what the device looks like. So according to me, this is a power-packed smartphone. It comes out of the box with Snapdragon 660, 3500 mAh of battery. It comes out of the box with dewdrop design, which is amazing at this price point. It has a dedicated memory slot. It has a good camera, which has a 16+2 megapixel Sony sensor. So all in all, this is a pretty power-packed design. So now let me snap the cover on and show you how it looks with the cover. So according to me, this is the only cover that you will need for this phone. It will provide good protection against scratches and drops, and also they provide a tempered glass pre-installed, so you won't have to worry about that. So now let us talk about the rules to enter the giveaway. Alright guys, so as I said in my intro that I'll be giving away 2 of these devices to our viewers. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is that you need to like this video, you need to subscribe to our channel, which is the most important part. Third thing is that you need to comment something that you like about this device in that comment section down below. Now it can be anything. You can just leave a comment that you like the camera. It can be anything. So just leave one comment. If you leave more than one comment, then you'll be disqualified automatically. And the fourth and the most important step is that you need to share this video on any social platform. Now you can share this video on your WhatsApp, you can share this video on Facebook or anywhere you want. And once this video reaches 1000 likes, then I will be announcing the winner on my Twitter account. Now remember, the more you share this video, the easier it will be to reach 1000 likes. There you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.